Antron Brown setup. As you can hear, we're just getting ready, getting started. This thing, awesome. This guy here, this young fella, he's young, and that guy was flying. He's in the top 10. Now there is way more down there, but a lot of the cars are put away. Guys that didn't qualify or other classes. Didn't want to bore you with that stuff. This part of the pit's kind of a little bit more happening. These are the guys that kind of your top 30 guys, give or take a few. So they're up getting their parts warmed up. One of the big races this morning, we have Kai Kelly and Stevie Fast. So everybody's pretty stoked for that. I think Justin Swanson put 10K on it. Should be a pretty badass day racing. Kai's got both cars here today. Well, 2 cars. 2 out of many. Eric Andrews over there. The church service just got over. Racers for Christ, so a lot of the racers are getting back, getting set up. A couple little merch tents here, parts. UPR, a few other guys are set up over there. As you can see, it's still pretty quiet. We got Canadians over here. Scott Taylor. Still pretty quiet. Still pretty quiet. Got Murder Nova's set up here. I didn't know if he was going to go home. Unfortunately, he didn't qualify yesterday, but he seems to be normally the guy that stays around and signs some autographs and whatnot. Then you got over here, you got Mr. Sam. Looks like he just went to church. And Zach getting ready to start the day. Eagle. You got Lieutenant Dan. So, yeah. Cleese didn't have much luck yesterday getting down the track, but he's getting there. It'll come. He's racing in a class with a lot of guys that's been running for a while, so. And then they hard park to spark. Yeah.
How's everybody doing?
Good. Good morning. You looking good?
Thanks, sir. Appreciate it.
Yep. So I love James's car. I love the class. He's got some big heavy hitters in that class. He had Swanstrom in there, Kaylee Mills. Big multiple 1,000 horsepower setups. These guys here are going home. Alex Laughlin's set up. And yeah, still nobody coming in the gates yet. However, it is supposed to start a little bit earlier than it was supposed to. But doesn't appear like it's getting started for a bit. It's like I said, the dew point's real thick right now. It's probably not a great time to start racing. So, but yeah, that's pit. Here's your staging lanes. A couple other vendors up here. Stinky Pinky's over there from Street Outlaws. And I'll come over here to the track. Yeah, it looks like they're getting set up. So I would assume that they're going to start calling. Wade, the master of stick here in Bradenton. Looks like they're just out spraying now, so it's pretty well the final step. And we'll get racing. So take care, guys, and follow along today.